Welcome back to this week's edition of Shepherd's Wardrobe Wednesday. Today we have a new twist on accessories, on pearls. We have our collection by Wanted, an Ottawa designer who is designing these really modern, fantastic pieces made out of pearls, real freshwater pearls, and I think she's done them in a really modern way. Elaine is joining me today, and Elaine is wearing a beautiful tassel necklace. This is one of the pieces in the collection that we're going to show you, and she's paired it with this fantastic tank dress by Simply, which we've shown you as one of our favorite basics, just to really showcase the jewelry. Elaine has some styling tips and tricks up her sleeve today to show you. I'm wearing another piece by Wanted, just very simply, and I think we're going to see this reinvented as well, is this lariat, and it's actually just a very simple piece that you can manipulate any way you want. So I hope you'll enjoy this episode. Elaine, I'm looking forward to seeing what you have for us today, and I hope you enjoy these looks. Amazing what a few well-appointed accessories can do. I hope you've enjoyed learning about this favorite basic accessory of ours. I think you won't be disappointed if you invest in these pieces. They're modern, they're fresh, they're real freshwater pearls, and they take you absolutely anywhere. Thank you so much for joining us this week on Shepherd's Wardrobe Wednesday. We'll see you next week.